स्मार्ट सिटीची कामां नेटान चालू आसा. कितले टक्के काम पुराय जाला ताची माहिती सध्या दिवंक शकना अशें मुख्य अधिकारी संजीत रॉड्रिगीज हांणी सांगले. बेरेस्तारा संजीत रॉड्रिगीज हांणी स्मार्ट सिटीच्या कामाची पळोवणी केली.
We are now concentrating only on our road completion and drains. That is also happening parallelly. We will do it. We have our deadline, we will complete by our deadline.
Sir,
No more further extension. See, most of our drains were not complete. Completion will take some time. If there were no drains, there has to be some access for water to go. Completion will take some time. We will expedite this process. No, wherever the work is going on, we have expedited the work. It itself. We have seen that is one of the area where the drain work was not complete. The completion of the work is going on. There are some benefits. Settlement has happened, so we know where settlement has happened. Rectification will take place. Also, there has been snag list there. Chambers were clogged. CCP is also defacing that. By and large, we will get this work done. So I have time and again said we will not go into a blame game.
Yes.
I am on work front. I will discuss my work, my deadlines.
Okay.
I will not discuss any blame game issues. So we are working on the plans as of now. The road completion is done. The pavement and all the other areas which are being planned, we have some time to do this relocation. Not a priority for us.